this is not the end crochet, and I am bringing you this video to sort of catch you up on what I've been up to. I have 3 different whips at 3 different stages, and my cat walks out. Hold on. Hey, out and stay out. Bye. I figured she'd do that. She always do that. Okay, at 3 different stages with 3 different types of hooks and 3 different types of yarn. The first one I'm going to show you is a just finished whip I did for my brother. He requested a number 7 throw like mine and like Larry's. So I did it for him. He wanted it brown, but the closest I could get is taupe. And I finished it. And the hook I used was this Loops and Threads 25 millimeter. It's a good hook. You go by Michael's, I think it's like almost $9, or it might be $9 and some change. I'm not sure. But with the long handle, it's really longer than most hooks this size, and I recommend it highly. It's a really good hook. And this is what I did with it. Okay, I pulled the tension on this one, so it's a little smaller than mine, but it's the same number of stitches across, which is 17. And it's 21 rows, I believe. Yeah. But he's supposed to come and get it tomorrow. I hope he likes it. He sounded real excited, so I hope he likes it. Let's see. He said, well, what I owe you? I said, nothing but a hug. I said, don't hug me too tight. My back bothering me. He said, okie dokie. So, this is it. That's what I did with that. Okay, here's the next whip. I just finished part of it. It's really 3 in all. This is part of the homeless donation that I'm working on. So 36 in all, and I'm getting pretty close. I think I got 8 more to do. But I did it with a number 7 clover, and this is Eco Cozy Watercolors, 145 yards, 5.3 ounces. And it recommends a 9mm hook, and it's considered a super bulky, but I wanted sort of a tighter drape pull on it, so I had to measure everything, and my goal was to do a hat per skein. So I got 2 more hats to do for this colorway, and it's being modeled by, I named him George. Larry wanted to name him Linwood. I don't know where he come up with Linwood at, but it keeps popping in my head to call him George. So we'll see who wins out. But here it is. I gotta tuck in that end. It had a knot in the middle of the skein, so I had to like cut that out and then add on the rest of it. But there it is, and looks pretty good. The rest of them were pretty too. I hadn't done the tassel / pom-pom yet, because I always wait and do that at the end of the 3, so I'll see how much yarn I have left. My goal with this is to use every last bit of the skeins, and I devised a pattern that does just that. So it works, and I've tried one on my own, and they're really warm, so I think they'll come in handy to whoever needs them. Okay, this next one is a puzzle. I mean, it's an absolute puzzle. I have no idea what it's going to be. I just started crocheting granny squares, and I did 2 the other night. And here it is, all laid out. I'm thinking it's going to be a purse, but I'm not sure. It's just the weirdest thing. I used to crochet like that a long time ago. I just get a hook and get some yarn and whatever it kind of looked like. I said, okay, this is what it's going to be. So it's really weird that that's coming back on me now. Since the pandemic, I've always had a course of action with my WIPs, but this, I have no idea what it is. I'm thinking purse, but I'm not sure. But I think when I originally started, it was going to be a cowl. But I don't know. We'll see. Add a little yarn, and this is readily available, so if I want to make it bigger, I can. Oh, and I decided to use one of my new hooks. What size is this thing? It's tiny. Trying to read it. 5.5. I don't know. It's not really working that well with this type of yarn, so I might switch this up for Susan Bates. I think I probably will. Probably be easier. But let me see what the yarn is called. Okay, it's fall. And it's one of the smaller super savers. It's 5 ounces. And it's considered a 4-weight. And it recommends a 5.5 millimeter hook. Still, if it's going to be a purse, I'm wondering how big of a purse. And do I need to get more yarn? Don't know. Be interesting to see what it end up being.